Hi, I'm Mohammed and you're watching the 16th episode of the academic IELTS Writing Series. Today we'll write the opening sentences of our argument essay's supporting paragraphs, so let's get started. The first supporting paragraph is about making friends. The first language-related difficulty that an immigrant might run into concerns forming new intimate relationships. For example, my brother, who moved to Canada 2 years ago, could not make friends for a year due to his lack of fluency in French. And the second supporting paragraph is about finding a job. Another important problem pertains to finding an occupation. Studies show that the language barrier is a leading cause of unemployment in Western Europe and North America. In the next episode, we'll do the same thing to our discussion essay. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing. Hey, it's me again. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Ask me your questions in the comments below. You can also contact me at mohammedgulpaigani@gmail.com for online lessons.